You ever seen a standoff with airsoft guns? You're about to. Stop it. Let's meet the contestants. Alright. So here we have Jack Up Buddy. Okay? This guy's a hardcore airsoft player. He got shot in the forehead recently. Really recently. And how do you think you're gonna do tonight in the draw?
Well, you know, I'm out here every night, slaving, hardworking, effortlessly, continuously, all those big words that I don't know how to pronounce. I'm here all the time. I'm one of the world champion. I think this guy is nothing, and he's gonna go down without a fight.
How do you? Don't look at the opponent yet. All right. How do you feel about winning? You think you got this one in the bag, buddy? You know, you've never lost one before.
This one's definitely.
This man, he's from the other side of the world. I don't know if he.
I'm the Canadian.
Don't turn around.
I'm the Canadian and American champion. I am #1. Nobody can beat me.
All right, let's meet the other contestants. This here's Billy Bob.
I'm Billy Bob.
This guy, other side of the world, doesn't speak a word of English. He hasn't lost a fight on the other side of the world, okay? This guy knows what he's doing. Say something about yourself. Tell them what you think. Listen. What the heck? Tell them. All right, I don't think he wants to talk. He just wants to get down to business tonight. Let's go. All right, you just 25? 15. Go. Go. 15. We'll see how that is.
Who says draw? Do we
15.
just go?
Me. Go. 15.
Okay.
15 paces.
Right.
2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 paces.
I think that's good. I don't think you're gonna hit each
Hit him.
Let's do 10. Come 5 back.
Just do 3.
All right. Stop.
3.
Stop. Stop. Come. Stop. 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 All right. That's good. Hey, whoa! What the heck? You moved when I said stop. All right, guys. It's time. Hope you're ready. Contestants, give me a thumb. Give me a thumb. Sorry, it doesn't speak English. 3, 2, 1. Drop! This isn't self, man. Alright, gone off. It's never happened. Shit, he's about to run, go, let's go!
Oh my god!
Let's go!
He can't!
Let's go! There they are! There it is! Oh, cameraman, come on, hurry up! Cameraman, look! Bro, get out of there! Oh, shit. Let's go! Rock! We got him. That's cheating. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
This is not.
Shut up, you
This
lost.
is a stupid game show.
We never set any rules. Did he get you? Did you get him? That's your clip. That
That was rootin' tootin'.
Standoff.